Good afternoon to everyone. So today in this video we are going to discuss about Urja Global. So it was also the most trending stock. So we'll try to find out the technicals as well as the fundamentals of the stock. We'll try to find out the future of this company. So in the previous videos we have discussed about Clariant Chemicals as well as a Trident. So people have not watched the video can definitely watch it so that you'll have an idea on the levels where you can enter. Okay, so watch this video till end, and people have not yet subscribed, so definitely subscribe for all the latest news and updates. Now let's get started. Okay, so what does Urja Global do? So Urja Global Limited is a certified leading integrated solar power company. So you can see it is a solar power company. So the group provides almost total solar solutions and is known for design, supply, distribution and comprehensive approach of delivering a standalone solar products, thereby providing affordable energy solutions. So we know that nowadays solar energy is coming to light, so people are now focusing on the future of solar energy. But when we consider the past of the solar energy, we know that it was almost all people used to study about solar energy, but the implementation was very less. Only in few parts of our country, like in Cochin airport also, the solar panels were kept in that particular airport. So only few recognition were there. Now the demand for solar energy is increasing. Also we know that if China, India and if India stops taking products from China, then definitely this solar panels manufacturing from India will play a crucial role. Okay, so we know that most of the solar panels which are obtained, they obtain it from China. So when those sort of importing and exporting will stop, then definitely the local companies like Urja Global will be benefited. Okay, also a list also was given in the past week that the list of solar companies which will be in focus, in that Urja Global was also one of the share. Okay, so you can see currently it is in lower circuit, almost it has closed around 3.55 and 4 minus 4.05% negative. Okay, now let's try to find out the company fundamentals, that is the overview as well as the shareholding. So when we see the market cap, you can see the market cap is around 180 crores. You can see no dividend is given. Okay, and also you can see industry P is around 10.97, and you can see current P is around 118.33. Okay, so it's very highly valued at this point of time also. And if you see the deliveries is almost 85.62, and book value is 3.24, and almost it's a trading a little bit high as compared to its book value as well. Okay, now let's try to find out the shareholding. Okay, so when you see the shareholding, you can see that promoters are having almost 31.55% returns, and you can see in quarter on quarter there is a slightly decrease in holdings. Okay, and if you see pledging is not there, so this one thing is good because being a penny stock also. Okay, and with no pledging. Okay, pledging is a very important thing. In my all of the videos I consider pledging as the most important factor. Next, when we see the mutual fund holding is 0, and if you see total DIs holding is 7.86%. Okay, next other DIs are also having around a 7.83% holding. So we can say that a very decent holdings by all of the institutions. Now let's try to find out the financials of the company also, which were declared last month, and we'll try to find out how much profit it has earned. Okay, before that, when we see the strengths of the company, you can see that strong annual EPS growth, company with low debt, company with zero promoter pledge, and profits are improving. So why profits are improving? Because now the recognition of solar energy has been started. Okay, so we are at the beginning of renewable energy resources, so you need to focus on these type of shares as well, but you need to see the valuation also. So currently it's overvalued, so we'll try to find out the levels on charts where you can enter, but you should definitely need to add this stock because nothing is there to lose in this company. Almost it's just 3 rupees stock only. Okay, you can put 1000 rupees and leave it for long term. Okay, so that should be your strategy. Next, when we see the weaknesses, so we can say that negative breakdown, almost book value per share deteriorating, and you can see others also declining operating profit margin, okay, falling quarterly revenue as well as net profit year on year. Net profit has slightly decreased. So what are the threats to this company? So stocks with high PE. So we have seen that almost current P is around 118. So that's what is the threat to this company. So that's why it's correcting. So let it correct. Once it correction completes, so where the level will be found, we'll try to enter at that particular level. Okay. Now let's see the returns. After that, we'll see the financials. Okay. So when you see the returns, you can see that almost in 1 year it has given okay decent 39.22% returns. Almost in 6 months it has doubled your amount, and also 3 months very good returns of 144.83 returns, and almost 1 week negative returns. 2 months also 2.90% returns have been given by this company. So in 3 months very huge returns it has given, almost 144, very good returns. Now let's try to find out the financials. Okay, so you can see the financials that Urja Global standalone March 2020 net sales at 27.08 crore, down 38.86% year on year. So year on year we can say that there is a percentage decrease in net sales. So apart from that, you can see net sales at 27.8 crore in March 2020, down 38.86 year on year, and quarterly net profit at 0.85 crore in March 2020, up 132.18. So you can see that the profits have increased. Okay, so you can see profits have increased almost from 0.37 to 0.85 in March 2019. So year on year, so we can say 132.18% it has increased. So very good indication that profit has increased. Only thing is that sales and those all have decreased. Apart from that, you can see EBITDA stands at rupees 0.86 crore in March 2020 and up. So EBITDA also is up, profit is up, EBITDA is up, and EPS also has increased. Okay, so these are the basic financials. Only we can see that net sales have reduced. Sales will increase in coming years because the demand is now started increasing. So you need to accumulate in small quantity. Okay, you should not put bulk amount at any time. So we'll try to find out the levels where you can focus in this stock. So company overall future is very good because solar is something we know that Adani Green also is also into solar field. You can see that how much returns it has given. So okay, this stock also has movement, but it requires a little patience as well as a time. So stock market is all about patience. Okay, now let's see the technicals. And one thing I want to show you about the we can say that deals which happened in this particular company. Let me show you that. So you can see on Monday 22nd June 2020, you can see Alpha Leon Enterprises has almost sold 27 lakh shares at 3.41. So this 3.41 can also be taken as a support for this particular company. Okay, Alpha Leon, this company Alpha Leon Enterprises does almost trading in almost all the penny stocks. You can see Reliance Capital it has done, or again it has done in Brightcom Group also it has done. So you need to focus, okay, these type of companies whenever they are entering into any stocks. That's why you need to watch all the bulk deals which company is entering. Okay, now let's see the technicals. So what can we see in 1 day chart? So you can 1 day chart to see current market. So current market price around 3.55. Okay, current market price is 3.55, and when you see, okay, the levels of this, you can see a support at 3.4. Okay, so 3.4 is one support and another one is the 3.55 level. Okay, 3.55 is nothing but today's closing, I guess. Okay, yes, today's closing is 3.55 and it's also 20 EMA. Okay, 20 EMA is also around 3.55 and 50-day EMA is around 2.91. So we have three levels. So one is 3.55. So we need to watch out tomorrow what will happen. After that we have a 3.4, after that we have 2.91. so these are the three main supports you can watch in it, and immediate target for it will be around 4.65. when this particular levels are respected, you need to enter, because movement is there, you can enter. So I'll update immediately whenever movement is there in the Telegram or YouTube community section. Okay, next we'll see on weekly chart. So what you can see in weekly chart, so same thing you can see in weekly chart as well. Even the money flow index in this is now showing that little bit correction is there, and then you can see the same supports 3.4 as well as the 4.65 is the resistance. Okay, here also you can see same 2.74 as the another level. Okay, so focus on these levels. Okay, if this level 3.4 is respected, then you can invest in small quantities. So whenever it will open, immediately update in the community section. So also watch out for the money flow index. So in 1 day chart I showed you, okay, almost the money flow index is going to oversold region. Okay, once it enters at that particular region, so start investing in small quantity. Okay, I'll also update in middle so that will not miss that particular stock. Okay, it's very good stock, but only it's at a high valuation, so you need to focus on that. Okay, in next video we'll discuss about another stock. So if you're not yet subscribed, then definitely subscribe. To take care. Bye bye.